welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we'll be doing something kind of different, because we were talking about some new products at the drugstore. I hope you like today's video and you can get to know which products are good, which ones are not, so you can try it yourself. So let's do this. Here we go. So first I'll be applying the CoverGirl to Glam skin primer. This one is the color neutralizing. This one here. Alright, so like some here, there, and here on my forehead. So that's better now. Now I'll be using the Milani Soft Focus Glow. This one is on the shade 2, Golden Glow. So I'll be applying this much on here. I like dewy completion finish. Yes, you can see that glow that I have now. It's kind of soft and nice. It's not too heavy on my skin, on my face. Next, I'll be doing my eyes and my eyebrows. I'm gonna start using the new L'Oreal Micro Ink Pen. This one is for my eyebrows. That's a new product that I'll be using today. As you can see, okay, let me brush my eyebrows. Okay, and now let's try this new product and let's see. Kind of gave me like natural looking eyebrows, which is good. Let's do the other one and try to see how it looks all together. Okay, so those are my brows. I don't like this product that much. We'll see. So okay, let me correct my eyebrows using the e.l.f. comb. Okay, next product I'll be using is this Photo Focus Rose Eyeshadow Primer from Wet n Wild. is like a tinted primer, eyeshadow primer. Let's see how it sets my eyeshadow. I'll be using my Lemonade palette. This one is not a new product, so but I do like this eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this Berry Eyes color to apply. I'm gonna take this shade over here, Ice Pop. And now it does have a lot of fallout. Now I'll be using this retractable eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics. This is the shade Purple. Like a festival eye look. Now for foundation, we'll be using the NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow. This one is a new product. Let's see, I'm not sure if this is the shade that I should use. Let's see if this, I got the right shade. Okay. It's definitely covering all my face. Full coverage foundation. Okay, so it covers everything as you can see, and a little goes a long way. So it's definitely, it sits beautifully on my skin, and it covers all of my redness and imperfections. So far so good. For contouring, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Makeup Stick Contour. Mascara, and for that I'll be using the Milani Most Wanted lashes. If you want more volume, you definitely can use like another mascara brush. Like right now I'm using my Monsieur Big Lancome brush on my Most Wanted lashes from Milani. Okay, so you got dramatic lashes. Concealer, the Camo e.l.f. 16 Hours. Now let's do our lower lashes. So for bronzer, I'll be using the Milani Bronzer XL. Now I'll be taking this brush out here. I won't be using powder today, so go ahead and try these two Milani Lip Glosses. This one's the shade Funny Pack, pretty pink, and this one is the shade She's All That. And I also have the NYX Lingerie Push Up from NYX Cosmetics. So let's try this one first. First thing I can say about this is kind of minty. You can feel it on your lip. This is this one, the Decros Fanny Pack. And last, highlighter. last step, we'll be using the Miss Dewy finish to set up this look. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see on future videos, and like the video as well. Okay, and see you next week. Bye bye.